Yeah, boy. All right, so we're about to get boarded. I think in about 10 minutes or something, they'll start boarding. So, for all y'all that have done this for us at the barn there, definitely a thank you. It's really cool. This is
appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Got the bros.
I love you all.
It's a beautiful day out here. A lot of people here too. Whole city is packed, but that's why I want to watch them hook it.
That's all I got.
Damn, he's coming down in a quick few
He's cruising down.
He's cruising it.
It's a GP38.
Oh, that car.
He took a hit.
They probably didn't pay attention. They probably not lost.
That's why he's got to blow the horn. Actually, I'll take a video of him hooking.
Cool. All right, I hope you can hear me with this stupid mask thing, but made it on it. They're on the train. They're still boarding everybody else. But Jeff's over there. Saw the view from inside here, so. And then, oh yeah, I am very close to the engine because it's literally right there. So, got him taking a video. They'll sit here and punch our tickets then, and all that is what they said. So, there's quite a few people on here, but I'm gonna see how it is.
So now as we begin our 70-minute journey leaving downtown Jim Thorpe and into Lehigh Gorge State Park, sit back, relax, and take in all the area has to offer.
About to get rolling here in a minute. Oh, we're already rolling. Here we go. Yeah. Thank you. Cool.
For everybody that don't know, this is how we train people.
Kind of bumpy. Little butt. Not bumpy.
But pretty smooth.
people videoing out here too.
The bridge we're passing under as we travel through the entrance to the Jim Thorpe Rail Yard is the Route 903 bridge, which was dedicated to the late Sergeant Andrew J. Maddox, a Jim Thorpe native who lost his life while saving another soldier during a mission in Iraq. It was opened to the public in 2016 after replacing
Norfolk
the
Southern
903 bridge. The current bridge is nearly 1,000 feet long. It's approximately 100 feet above the Lehigh River and leads visitors to Jim Thorpe Memorial on the other end
SD40s.
and beyond that into the Pocono.
Aw, this is cool.
Oh, look at it, even have more.
They got more cars over here. We're in one of the NS yards. There must be more rail fanners over here. Just got the good view over there watching all the friggin' engines. Dang it. All SD40s. Oh yeah.
Caboose.
Yeah. Two of them. That's a weird looking one.
And then on the left, you'll be able to see the Jim Thorpe turntable, which is used during our popular steam train excursions to turn our steam locomotives around and face in the opposite direction.
Right again.
Bike and ride. It's got more engines over there.
See, those ones are redone.
Yeah.
All those ones are redone there.
Got a big yard.
Heck yeah, they do. They really do. That dude back there.
Ooh.
Good, that dude back there had the shirt on and got it's not my flag, it's not grass. That's what he had on. It's like,
The pass we just traveled through is known as the Rock Cut. This is a 17 way to the Lehigh Gorge State Park. As we continue on our journey, watch for deer, turkeys, black bear, and other smaller native animals roaming through the gorge. We'll spy various types of moths, vultures, and even occasional bald eagles gliding high above us. The lush forest, sheltered in the valley of the mountains, is the perfect habitat. We will be traveling on that in a few moments and also passing under the oil pipeline.
I wonder what the old carrying fiber optics do. That's what I want to know. It feels like a train distance away.
The river, you can see the area where Bear Creek empties into the Lehigh River. Bear Creek is a favorite for those who enjoy fishing, Pennsylvania state fish, the brook trout. We'll be stopping here momentarily, folks, while we align the track so that following free train does not go into Jim Thorpe along with us. On behalf of the entire crew today, it's our pleasure to have you on board the train with us, and we do hope that you enjoyed your ride as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. And on behalf of the management and staff of the railroad, we want to say thank you for riding with us today. After we come to a complete stop in the station, please exit the train only where there's an open door and a step box with a uniform card and present. Please.
Yeah. Nah, because you have no ambient light coming in from this side.
So we go from the train ride to the Lehigh Gorge Park.
And
We're in the old train tunnel. Yeah, it's empty now.
Look at all the minerals.
So Jeff and Tommy, how'd you like the train ride?
It was good. It was good. I mean, it was pretty decent. Nice view of everything. Good nature. Good amount of nature to see.
Yeah, there's a lot of views and stuff. I got a lot of vid. I got a lot of pics.
Very
I don't-
smooth ride.
Yeah, it actually wasn't that bumpy.
No, it wasn't.
I like it around this time because with the trees not having anything on it, you can see a lot more out, like
Yeah.
up higher. You can see houses and stuff throughout. So
That's how I thought too.
Yeah, nature. I see nature.
I liked it without like it's not bad without like the blooming greenness, but
There was some. You
Yeah,
like the
there's a little
pines
bit.
and everything out there, but
yeah.
overall it was pretty cool.
Oh,
It was
yeah,
fun.
overall.
And this is definitely a good way to end it too, being in
The old,
Yeah.
the old train
tunnel.
Yeah, we passed this in the train and I'm like, yo, we got to check that out. So here we are. And so
And we're here.
overall, it was a very fun Sunday. It was really cool. And I don't know, we're going to go figure out where we're going to eat. We walked around Jim Thorpe for a while. So it was pretty cool. Thanks for everything. So I hope you all liked the video and pictures that I post up. Be sure to like and subscribe for my YouTube channel. I do all kinds of videos. You know, the hiking videos will be coming up because it's getting warm out, so I'll be doing that. But yeah,